guys, let's eat some pizza. Baker's Choice. Baker's Choice Pizza. Available sa Payawan. Pizza, radyo natin. This is their vegetable pizza.
Pizza store beside radyo natin.
Payawan.
Payawan.
Into the scandal to bring out noise.
Dagan no? Dagan cheese.
Have a moment to waste.
Pila gani nilang ga? Nga nga pizza?
200 ang large.
Large ni.
200 now. 190
This is
may sa una,
large.
karang 200.
How many slices?
100
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
12 lang ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 12 per day. 12 slices for 200, no? Yeah. Vegetable flavor.
Veggie.
No, it's not.
Pachinko.
Sin.
I just gave a lecture to a standing
Na diet. Sin day.
You can work out of your office. My work, no, I commit to this university.
Naglo ko man. Naglo ko man.
Saan ka pa ito ko?
Sa kuan, Ilaray Torillo.
Tulus lang eh.
Oo.
Straight. Busog po mga gusto mga how?
Hot sauce.
Can you get those onions butter yourself in? Hey, honey. That day that I was late to pick you up from the camp. Do you remember anything that he said or why he was late?
Ang sarap.
Hey, buddy, you got a costume?
Feeling kayo sumud ang vegetable pizza.
Dad, what about you?
I didn't know.
Why didn't you call me? I would have joined you.
You found it.
Yeah.
Ay, patay ba naman?
Wait, did something have to say?
What do you want me to say? They're gonna let me know if they want to charge me after the autopsy comes in.
Kuha niyo may kuan? Kamunting?
Wala dili sa kamutsing dito sa kuan sa Excel niya kay na sayop siya. Abi man niya 14 niya.
Wala na. Dili pego, dako ra. Yan himo.
4 cm na. Hindi na inches.
Dako. Ariel, the pizza. Kuya.
Yeah.
Watching Spinning Man.
Oh, look at the skeletons.
Why is that invisible metal or bandit? Did he get hurt?
Well, it's a bandage, not a band-aid, and he wears them so that he can be seen.
Ano tayo? Taste good.
Dagang kay mushroom. Unsa pa ni? Mga kuan. Dagang carrots, dagang cheese. Dagang gyud siya visible, dagang gyud kay sulod oh. Dagang toppings.
Bell peppers.
Bell pepper, dagan siya toppings ko. Dili ka lugi.
Sa imong 200.
Dagang mushroom.
Is that true? Is this your father?
No.
Gentleman Francis Birch. Settle down. I will not settle down. This is my daughter. I'm taking her home. She's in a lot of trouble. Sir, I need you to step back. Is that clear? Zelda. That's her name? Okay, Zelda. I want you to tell me the truth. Is that your father? I need to see your eyes. Yes, I'm ready.
Murag kabalo nang dagway ang bata ba sa klase sa iba ka.
I don't have my ID.
Kasi mga sa school ba. Hi guys.